Ever dreamed of living a financially free life? Of traveling the world, owning your dream home, and never having to worry about money again? But where do you start? Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide to investing for beginners. If you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and ready to take control of your financial future, stay tuned. This video will change your life. Let's face it, the world of finance can be intimidating. With so many options, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and unsure where to begin. But here's the scary part. If you don't start investing now, you could be missing out on thousands, even millions of dollars in the future. Think about it. Do you want to be the person who looks back in 30 years, wishing they had started investing earlier? Or do you want to be the one enjoying the benefits of smart financial decisions? The choice is yours, and it starts right now. So, what's the solution? Let's break it down into simple, actionable steps. First, we need to understand the basics of investing. Investing is simply the process of putting money into something with the expectation of generating a profit in the future. It could be stocks, bonds, real estate, or even cryptocurrency. But before you dive in, you need to understand the risks involved. Did you know that Warren Buffett, one of the world's richest investors, lost 99% of his wealth in one day? But he didn't give up. He learned from his mistakes and became one of the wealthiest people on the planet. The lesson? Risk is part of the game, but it's how you manage it that sets you apart. Now, let's talk about diversification. Imagine you have a basket of eggs. If you drop that basket, all your eggs are gone, right? But if you spread those eggs across multiple baskets, the risk is lower. The same applies to investing. Spread your money across different types of investments to minimize risk. Ever heard the phrase, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? Well, it's not just a cliche, it's sound financial advice. Diversify your portfolio to protect yourself from market fluctuations. Next up, let's talk about the power of consistency. Investing isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's a long-term strategy. The key to success is to invest regularly, no matter how small the amount. This is known as dollar cost averaging, and it's one of the most effective investing strategies out there. Imagine if you had invested just $100 a month into the stock market 10 years ago. Today, you could have thousands of dollars more than you started with. That's the power of consistency and compounding. Speaking of compounding, let's dive into what it really means. Compounding is the process by which an asset's earnings, whether from capital gains or interest, are reinvested to generate additional earnings over time. In other words, your money makes more money while you sleep. Did you know that compound interest is so powerful that Albert Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world? That's right. Your money can work for you 24/7, 365 days a year. But let's not forget about the power of education. The more you know, the better decisions you can make. There are countless resources available to help you learn about investing, from books and online courses to mentors and financial advisors. The key is to never stop learning. Did you know that billionaire investor Ray Dalio reads over 100 books a year? Knowledge is power, and in the world of investing, it can be the difference between success and failure. Another crucial aspect of investing is understanding your goals. Are you saving for a down payment on a house, planning for retirement, or maybe you want to start your own business? Whatever your goals, they should guide your investment strategy. Imagine if you could visualize your financial future. What would it look like? What steps would you need to take to get there? Setting clear goals is the first step to making your dreams a reality. So, there you have it, the ultimate guide to investing for beginners. By understanding the basics, diversifying your portfolio, staying consistent, leveraging the power of compounding, educating yourself, setting clear goals, and remaining patient, you can achieve financial freedom and live the life you've always dreamed of. But wait, there's more. If you're serious about taking control of your financial future, you won't want to miss our next video on the power of compounding. Trust me, it's a game changer. So, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Remember, the journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step today and start investing in your future. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out the end screen for more great content. Until next time, keep investing, keep learning, and keep dreaming big. Your future self will thank you. See you soon.